put on illegally, and that there's some type of $300 fee along that lines or something, because there should never been gas at 2128 Hubbard Street.
Right. So yeah, it looks like what happened was that prior to you moving in, the gas was disconnected from the street side. So normally what happens is, anyone requesting service after we disconnect it from the street, there's a fee associated with it, and then after the fee is paid, then we issue the order to get it reconnected, so to speak. Um, that fee was never charged to you, nor was the order placed to reconnect the gas for you. So we never actually proceeded with turning the gas on. I know you didn't necessarily lose gas during any of that time, but technically, based on our records, there should not have been gas at the location. So what we've done is reach out to the group that basically does the cuts
Hmm.
and does the reconnects. So we reached out to them to inform them like, hey, this is what's going on with this scenario because that slightly different being that you've had gas all the way up until this point. Um, from that time. So we're trying to get them to work a little bit faster and get you restored. The only problem is we're looking at it's 7 p.m. or a little after it's 7:30 actually on a Friday night, and they don't come back in until Monday morning. And their normal process is not until 5 days out from the day that we actually reach out to them and say, hey, we need this gas cut back on because of this, and we're also trying to get that fee waived, so you're not having to pay that fee that should have been collected back in May when you originally started services.
Yeah, because I mean, like if I would have known something, I mean, because I like if you actually like look at my previous accounts, okay, with you guys, me personally, I have received checks back from you guys. So I don't even play those games when it comes to my light and gas. You know what I'm saying? Especially being
Right.
handicapped and I have to have somebody taking care of me and I haven't eaten in 2 days. And I've been getting a runaround all day today. I sat here all day yesterday with nobody. They telling me that somebody's coming out. They giving me ticket numbers, and I'm sitting here waiting, and nobody ever shows up. And then the guy that showed up today, he went and spoke to the guy downstairs, and um, nobody spoke to me because the guy downstairs, like I say, I don't know if he's paying gas or not, but I know that I've been paying my gas bill, and
Right.
and I've been trying to make sure that it's paid. So when this is all going down, it's like I'm not understanding what's going on because it's like there was a letter that came in the mail yesterday, and I sent it to the landlord because when I called about it, they said that it wasn't my problem, that this was the landlord's problem. The red letter, the shut off notice for the for this address that came yesterday.